Hey y'all, we've been working on modes in our little mandolin music theory class I do every Sunday. And as I keep saying, modes are so easy. They're just alterations of the major scale. Most of my mode lessons are well under 5 minutes. I think most of them are about 2 to 3 actually. Modes are just a way of playing the major scale, either starting on a different note than you normally would and ending on it, or altering a note as you're playing it. And for the Aeolian scale, this is about as simple as it comes. It's just a major scale starting and ending on the 6th note of that scale. What does that mean? Okay. All right. Major scale in C. C, D, E, F, G, A, B. C if you want to finish it. All right. Simple major scale. What's the 6th note of the C major scale? C, D, E, F, G, A. A is the 6th note of the C major scale. So, boy, that sounds different, doesn't it? But it's the same notes. Let's see, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. Yeah. All notes of the C major scale. Let's see. You're still playing the key of C. It's a C major scale, but you're starting on A and ending on A. It totally changes the sound of the scale. It makes it sound not like a scale, it makes it sound like a mode. Well, why is that important? Well, if you're soloing, you're playing in a band, let's say you're playing in a jazz band. I don't know. You're going to be playing more complex chords, whatever. But let's just pick our simplest, what's our simplest C? Right here. And you want to solo over that. Alright, that's fine. I mean, I'm not playing any particular melody, right? That's fine. You just played a very scale-based break or solo, right? Now, that sounds totally different, even though it's the same notes. I just started on A, went up to A, came back to A, and then I guess hit the G and went back to A. It sounds, everything just opened up, didn't it? It doesn't sound confined. It's same notes, different pattern, sounds far more creative. Play around with it. You're going to find you can do a ton with the Aeolian mode, which in any key is just starting and ending on the 6 notes. And yeah, I mean that it puts that Aeolian signature on it. Like I may want to go up to A, but then I want to keep going to C. As long as I end on A, I'm in the Aeolian mode of the C scale. Super easy. I don't know. It just gives a completely different sound to the same notes. And that's what modes are. Modes are simple. Remember, keep them simple. Modes are nothing to be afraid of. And you can do this. Just remember, count on your fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What's the 6th note? All right, play from there and back. You got it. Piece of cake. Talk to you next week. You got any questions or comments, leave them in the question and comment section below the video, or email me, judsoncarroll.com. Be sure to like and subscribe. And if you want to see a more written out example, my book, Mandolin Mysteries Solved, is available on Amazon. I think it's one of the best books on playing the mandolin ever written. It really gets into topics that like no other book does in a really practical, down-to-earth way. So you're a bluegrass player, you're a rock and roll player, you're whatever, and you got your mandolin, and you want to really learn to play it and solo and improvise. It tells you how. You don't know much about music theory. You're just, 3-chord guy. Great. Pick up my book. In about, a week's worth of reading through and playing through, you're going to have as much theory as people who've gone to college for music. And you can sit down with anybody and play, because it's, the scale's like an alphabet. And the modes are like words you made out of that alphabet, right? I mean, it's so simple. And you train your ear, and it's all about ear training and theory, but in a super practical way, like I just showed you. You're playing the key of C, you got the Aeolian mode, you can play a solo, it sounds pretty darn cool. It doesn't sound like you're just running through scales, even though, in a way, you are. So you do that for a little, and then you switch to maybe an arpeggio, and you come up with a pretty darned impressive solo. And if you make that fit a melody that you're humming in your head, not just playing it as an exercise, you'll be a legend. That's really the secret. You remember what John Coltrane said? He said, learn every scale and every mode and every chord and or arpeggio. He was a saxophone player, so every arpeggio in every key. Practice it, then forget it all and just play what comes in your mind. Play by ear after that. That's the secret to being a really good musician, a creative musician. You actually do have to know stuff, but you have to know it well enough that you don't have to think about it, and you can just play the tune that comes into your head, Aeolian mode. Piece of cake. Y'all have a good one. Talk to you next time.